Hi, we are developing a tool for multimodal learning analytics. First, to capture learning traces in several modalities. Second, to assess learning. Third, to provide real-time or post-hoc feedback in a multimodal way. By doing so, MMLA can provide affordances for group work in a co-located setting. Especially, our research explores modalities of data that are specific to collaborative knowledge-building context. First, based on literature, we focus on different primary indicators of collaboration like speaking time, turn-taking, and specific typing gestures. Second, we design the real-time feedback for the group members so they can collaborate better. From this section, we will introduce which technological toolkit will be used to design and develop multimodal learning analytics. From the audio modality, we extract different features like turn-taking and speaking time of each group member. For the content of the conversation, we identify the topics as the conversation progresses, and build a word cloud using natural language processing. For video modality, a web camera is used to collect students' appearance information, gestures and body movements. First, to achieve real-time recognition, we use OpenPose library to detect and obtain body structure with key points. We train the neural networks to recognize different behavior patterns of the students with their body structures. The patterns include spontaneous gestures, body postures, interaction with others and manipulating objects. Here is how we implemented OpenPose to detect body structures for the real-time recognition. We implement a neural network to achieve real-time action recognition for each student with the OpenPose. By recognizing different patterns, we can infer the collaborative level with neural networks. We use web camera and audio recorder to get and process the video and audio data individually. The data is used to conduct inference of context-independent patterns, such as voice loudness, speaking time and gestures. Then we use neural networks to predict the collaborative level with those patterns. The visualization has a concept of plants growth. In the user scenario, students will receive their own plant seeds to grow in their virtual farmlands. In the interface, students will see an interface of their own farmlands. Each student gets a different plant and the plant growth reflects their progress during the meeting. By looking at their own plant's growth, students constantly get informed about their collaboration level. 3 indicators and time factor will be mapped out into water, wind, fence and daylight in the interface, using ambiguity, information complexity, semantic distance, and familiarity in icon visualization process. On the screen, audio data will be represented as wind. If there is excessive noise during group work, the plants will shake. This is how audio feedback will be given in the real interface. The behavioral factor will be interpreted as water for the plant. There will 4 level of video modality feedback given by water in the interface. Data from text, such as assignments and report writing, will be represented by fences round the plants. Depending on the text input from collaboration participants, their fences will upgrade to different levels. Apart from the 3 indicators on students' learning progress, time factor will be shown on the screen to display the activity timeline of each session. The seasonal change on the ground indicates the phasing of the whole session. Let's look at the interface then. This is the sketch of the overall interface. Basic information will be shown alongside with students' farm lands and growth of plants. There will be gauge bars for 3 different indicators. Group feedback is shown at top right of the screen. Individual feedback is displayed next to students' own plants. Learners and teachers will be able to assess real-time feedback during their collaboration. Next steps, we investigate actionable feedback, such as real-time and post-hoc, for learners on individual and group level, and for teachers with relevant pedagogical interventions.